Plus could help ease your pain. At the push of a button, the technology in Paingone Plus delivers a 30-second burst of TENS therapy to the affected area. The charges could reduce the pain signals going to your brain, which could temporarily help relieve pain and relax muscles. Paingone Plus fits in your pocket and works even through clothing. Don't live with pain. Join over 1 million other Paingone users and try Paingone Plus now. For hard-to-reach areas, try Paingone Easy, the wearable version of Paingone.
Paingone Plus is the fast, safe, and portable solution for pain, already used by nearly 2 million people around the world. From painful joints to aching muscles, Paingone Plus delivers relief straight to the point you need it most. You can access drug-free pain relief wherever you are, whenever you need it, and it only takes 30 seconds to use. For the temporary relief of pain and aching muscles, all you need to do is place the Paingone Plus on the area of pain. At the touch of a button, it delivers targeted electrical impulses, called TENS, that stimulate the nerves and produce a natural pain relief effect, allowing you to carry on with what you really love in life. Try Paingone Plus today and get back to your best.